Catriona Gray, may hanash at may kakaibang karanasan, Kinaan at Jericho. Si Ann Curtis pala ang nag-reach out kay Direk Irene Villamor para sa ibang concept ng pelikula, na that time ay may script na si Direk Irene at may leading man na si Jericho Rosales, at inalala ito ni Ann sa ginanap na #Loveacon nung Sabado ng hapon sa Robinsons, Manila, Valentine movie nilang The Loved One. Working with Direk Irene, yun na nga, we get each other's craziness, and it was like one random night I messaged her and I told her, like, I'm looking for something a little bit more matured when it comes to telling a story about where love can lead you. And then, that's when she said, you know what, I have a script. Ready na siya. May catch lang siya. Sabi ko, ano yung catch? Sabi niya, may leading man na. Sabi ko, sino yung leading man? Sabi niya, si Jericho. And you know, working with Jericho has always been so easy. And so we're reconnected. So we're reconnected again. And then a year after, we started filming. A year after. Mahabang sagot ni Ann tungkol sa reunion movie nila ni Echo. Ang Metro Manila Film Festival entry na Baler, ang huling pinagsamahan nilang pelikula ni Jericho. Base sa trailer, pang-mature ang pelikula. 10 taon pagkatapos ng kanilang huling paalam, muling nagkita sina Eric, Jericho Rosales at Ellie Ann Curtis. Para kay Eric, na hindi kailanman nakamove on ang paghihintay, ay napuno ng pagbabalik tanaw ng mga pira-pirasong alaala. Naalaala niya ang kasal ng kanyang kaibigan, kung saan sila unang nagkita, kung saan nabuo ang kanilang magkakaibang personalidad. Naalala niya ang kanilang mga paboritong restaurant. Ang gabing sa wakas ay ginagawa nila itong opisyal, at ang sandaling nag-decide silang lumipat ng magkasama. But as young adults sharing space, the differences that once felt charming began to create a distance between them, as the loved one refused to be owned. As the timeline of his memory fractures, Eric starts to wonder at what exact moment did they start to fall apart. If love is what turns us into poets, why does it also have the power to turn us into monsters? And in every great love story, why must there always be the lover and the loved one? At kasama nila sa pelikula si Catriona Gray, na baptism of fire niya sa acting department. Very proud si Catriona na officially ay isa na siyang actress. Kaya naman maraming curious kung paano siya napapayag na gumawa na rin ng pelikula. I really admire Direk Irene Villamor, ang director ng pelikula. To start off with, we have run in all the time at the office. I really love her energy, and siguro mayroon akong feeling that she would really walk me through it, and she really did, sabi ng 2018 Miss Universe. Of course, when I heard who the other cast was, I'm very flattered naman to be considered as a very newbie. Paliwanag niya sa ginanap na media conference ng pelikula last weekend. It was an incredible experience for me. Everyone was so kind and accommodating. They really didn't have to be, but it's just a testament to who they are as a people and also who they are as actors. So, I am very proud to be a part of this, my first acting stint. But it's really a beautiful story, and siguro that was the biggest reason na bakit nag-yes ako. Dagdag pang kwento ni Catriona, masaya rin siya sa naging karanasan na makatrabaho sina Ann at Jericho. It was great. Siguro I was really nervous going into it just because I really respect them both equally in their craft, and they have so many years under their belt of experience. And so coming into the scene or coming on to the set with literally not even a day of experience on the film is very intimidating. But I feel that they both went out of their way not to make me feel that way. And so, it was such an enjoyable experience. Sabi naman ni Echo, you had to watch her screen because she's a natural. Nabanggit naman ni Direk Irene na sa umpisa ay nag-hesitate daw pa si Catriona na tanggapin ang offer. I am so happy na pinaunlakan niya because she's been parang hesitating kasi na paano ba umarte yung first encounter ko sa kanya. Sabi ni Direk, I only know how to be excited and be happy kasi di ba yun yung madalas niya as a host. Chika ni Direk. Para paghandaan ng role, nag-workshop pa raw si Catriona upang patunayan kung gaano ito kaseryoso sa pelikula. Anyway, mapapanood na sa mga sinihan ngayong February 11 ang Dalabuan ng Viva Films and Corner Studios. Kaya ating suportahan ang kanilang movie na paniguradong magugustuhan ng lahat. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.